fire alarm.
You recording it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Tony was telling me that I was yesterday.
Yeah, during the fire alarm.
Look at what she's doing, recording the fire alarm.
I'm gonna go on YouTube. Okay, so Rosa, let's talk. Let's talk, Rosa. Iridian, say something to the camera. No, I swear I'm gonna break your stupid. Okay, never mind. Don't film me, Iridian.
What happened? Do we go back?
No, we go. Let's dip.
Let's run through their food.
Adriana, can I have no me das el paper? Cause yeah. Espérate, Rosa. Con some capital letters, okay?
There's some capital letters?
Yeah.
Attention all classes, please evacuate your class to your normal evacuation area. Again, teachers, please evacuate your class to your normal
Ring the fire alarm. Mr. Hannah, he's all dead again. You guys, what do you guys have to say about the second fire alarm?
No comment.
What do you say about the second fire alarm? This is our second fire alarm this week. It's so cool because it's during 6 o'clock. Look, this feels cold. Rosa! Say something. So, yeah. We're going to the fields. Where? Hi, Miss Vaughn. Look, it's a Navy girl with her gun. Oh, you're in 90TC too, huh?
Yeah.
That's so cool. Where's Gonzalo? Oh, Gonzalo, you have to say something about the second fire alarm?
Me?
Yeah.
I don't know. What?
I don't know, whatever. You? No comment? Where's... Guys, let's go.
This is so boring, dude.
Dude, I know.
Hey, walking. Oh, you're taking a piss or what? You're all standing right there.
Okay, so we're walking through the field. Dude, it's open.
There you are.
It's open.
You make a run for it, Gonzalo.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
I got nowhere else to go.
Yeah, you
Safeway.
do. To the over there, to the bushes.
Let's
We're
go.
gonna go to the bushes.
Yeah, let's go, let's go,
I
let's
don't
go.
know. You tell me.
Hey, where's Mr. Hannah? I see him. Let's go.
We can see Rich from here.
I know, we can see him. He's tall.
Wait, tell me your fingers.
This is so lame, dude. Like I was hella eating a cookie and then
Dude, I was hello eating my pixie stick when this fire alarm came on. See? Pixie stick. Okay. What are you eating, Rosa? Look. Michael and Mitch are almost the same height. No, wait, they are the same height. No, Mitch is a little bit taller. Look, compared to... Is that Jenna?
Yep.
Yeah, compare him to Jenna. Jenna is hella small. Compare it to Cecilia. Mr. Hannah, what do you have to say about the second fire alarm?
What?
What do you have to say about the second fire
It's
alarm?
ridiculous.
I know, huh? Okay.
Your face.
Yeah.
We lost you.
Hello.
I'm Gabby.
It's a 10. What do you have to say about the second fire alarm?
I think it's cool because I hate class. It's so boring.
It's the second one.
It's the second one. It's the second one. Gabby. I don't know. I asked the questions wrong.
Yep, it's the second one.
It's the second one.
The
That
second
one.
one.
Period.
That's so cool.
No, it's the first one.
Oh shit, sorry. It's okay. Okay. Joanne! Joanne! It's gonna go on YouTube.
You know, Mr. Hannah was like hella eating